Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here's your 5-minute tip for this week. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And that's what we're talking about today. How do you take your YouTube channel link and make it a subscription link? That way, when people click on it, it's going to automatically ask them to subscribe if they have not subscribed yet. So all you have to do is come up here and get your link, and you're going to actually add to it. So you're going to add !sub _ confirmation equals 1. And if you're like, Desiree, how am I going to remember that? You don't have to. Right underneath the video, you are going to see this little magic code, and you can just add it to yours. And then you're going to take your whole link, and I'm going to go and test it right here. So I'm going to go paste and go to, and this is what it does. It automatically asks people to subscribe. And I just want to prove to you that you actually do not have to have a personalized YouTube. So I'm going to go and get a free YouTube with all the letters and numbers, and I'm going to paste that same code behind it. And then I'm going to take the whole link and I'm going to go test it out again. And we're going to see that it works, and we're happy, and we're joyful, and good luck.